Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss styling in Titan Forms version 2.0. We will cover styling using a project theme, how to do a custom theme, project style settings, element style classes, and CSS. When you created your Titan project, you were asked to select a theme. The theme applies style settings all throughout the project. You can change the theme once the project has been created by going to Project, Theme. I selected the Skyline theme when creating the project. Let's, for example, change it to Vegan, or Neon, or Eggplant, and so forth. Notice how the elements changed attributes. You can also create custom themes. To create a custom theme, click plus. Give your theme a name. Click Let's Start. From here, you can set the fonts on things such as the main font, the title font, and the heading font. On the Colors tab, you can set the primary and secondary colors of primary and supporting elements, such as buttons, text fields, radio buttons, etc. And on the Inputs tab, you can select the styling attributes of the various input elements. Once this is finished, it is now available in your custom themes. Let's revert back to Skyline. The next option for setting styling is in the Project Style window. Go to Project, select Style, and Configure. Here, you can set the styles for various elements. This will apply all throughout the project. Let's say, for example, that we want to change the attributes of text elements. Select Text from the drop-down menu, and then change your attributes as you desire. Let's say that we want to change the font from Leto to Miriam Libre. Notice how the font changed on all of the text elements, the heading, the subheading, and the paragraph. This will apply to all new elements of this type that you add to the page. In fact, let's make that a little more obvious. Libre Franklin, bold. I add another text element, and it has those same characteristics. I'll remove those. What if, however, you want to change the styling aspects of just a single element? That is something that you would do in the Individual Elements Styling window. Select your element, for example, a single text input field. Click on this little arrow icon to open the styling window. Here you can make whatever changes you want. Let's say, again, that we want to change some of the fonts. Let's say on the shrink label. I will change the font to Fat Face. I'll change the color to a red color. We'll make it bold. Make the size slightly bigger. Notice how this updated the styling aspects only of the text input that I selected. The other ones on the layout were not changed. And any new text input fields that you add are likewise not impacted. Once we have made such changes to an element, they can be saved as a new class. In the text styling window, click the little chevron. Let's save this as a new class called Red Text. You can either save it locally or save it globally. Saving globally is the best practice. I'll go ahead and click Save Global. Now that class is available for use on any other text element. Let's say, for example, we select this individual text input element, and I want to change the styling. I can change it to the newly created class Red Text, and there you go. The final option for styling is CSS. CSS can be used at a project level or an element level such as this. And that is how it's done.